Hello everybody, I'm Rehan from class 11C. I'm going to tell a joke here, so let's start with the first joke. The power of rasam. My mom believes that rasam can cure anything. Um, my mom believes that rasam can cure anything. My mom believes that rasam can cure anything. Even if I tell her that the Wi-Fi router isn't working, she will just say, "Hey, try putting some rasam on it, da." Cousins and comparison. Indian parents love to compare you with your cousins. Like, hey, look at Abdullah, da. He's already a doctor now. I'm like, yeah, it's great, but can he go to a master's rank in 1 week in Free Fire? No, right? We all have our strengths. And besides, he's 22 now and jobless, and I'm just 16. The Indian traffic is so wild. You will see cars, bikes, cows, and sometimes a random dog in the streets. It's like a live action movie where everyone's hoping to reach home alive. You know the difference between wisdom. You know the difference between wisdom and knowledge is knowing that tomatoes are fruit, and wisdom is knowing not to put it in a fruit salad. The Chinese food. I went to a Chinese restaurant with my family last summer, and it wasn't a great experience for me. My family took a seat there, and just like any other typical Indian family, they ordered a Chinese noodles and a Chinese fried rice. But I wanted to try something new, so I ordered dish with the most confusing name in the menu, which I couldn't even pronounce. As soon as the dish was served, I didn't know what the Chinese guy had served me, but I'm pretty sure that it wasn't it. Because as soon as I took a serving, it started running away from me. I had to shout loudly.
So, are you all good and happy? Well, I'm not happy. I've been sick for the past 2 days. Is it? What's wrong, bro? Did you see a doctor? Yes, I went to a doctor. I told him I got hurt in 2 days. What did the doctor say? He told me not to go to those places. Oh, I see. Well, this is far better than the one I saw last time. What is it, bro? You know how critical my uncle was, right? Yes, I know. He underwent a surgery in a hospital. What did the doctor say? He told me that the successful rate of the operation was 50%. What did you do for them? I just told the doctor to do the operation twice. So our friends should have joined this by no, where are they? Yes, where are they? Come, let's search for them.
Bro, I went to order a cake, but baker asked me a passport. Why, bro? Because I ordered a plain cake. Oh my god. Bro, yesterday a robber entered our house and took all the things expecting. Is it? What were you all doing at that time? We were watching TV. Oh my god.
Mom and son.
Mom. Yes. Why do we have mouth to talk? It is a gift given by God to talk to the people. Then please come and talk to my class, ma'am. She keep on shouting at us. Don't talk, don't talk. You naughty.
Customer call to the customer care.
Hello, is it customer care? Yes. Sir, my son has swallowed your company's SIM card. What? Then take him to the hospital immediately. Yes, I will. But there is a doubt. There is a problem. I have a doubt. I have 50 rupees balance in my SIM card. It will be reduced if you speak. Oh my god, save me.
Doctor and the patient.
Doctor. Yes. Wherever I touch my body, it hurts. It's paining. How is it? Show me. Ah. Stupid. There is a cut in your finger. Go apply some ointment and get it dressed. Okay, doctor. Thank you.
Oh, don't you have an interview tomorrow? Yes, I'm really tense about it. Well, I have some intelligent questions for you. Really? Yes. Come on, ask me. If I drop curd rice and fried rice from the rooftop at the same time, which will fall first? Which? Fried rice will fall first. How, bro? Because it is a fast food. Another one. Usually men wear watches on the left hand, but women wear watches on the right hand. Why, bro? Well, just to see the time. Which makes sense. What does Spider-Man watch on the TV? Spider-Man? Yes. I don't know. Web series. Last one. A family was crying on seeing a bulb. What bulb? Seeing a bulb. I don't know, bro. Say it. Because it was a cereal bulb. Thank you for giving me these questions. Come, let's have a tea. Okay.
Hi dude! What's up? How's your day, dude?
Not fine, bro.
Hi bro! I think so you failed English, that's why.
You just got pass mark. Just pass, bro.
You just got 9 marks. Just 9.
Oh.
Nothing to me.
Oh, leave it, bro. The verbs in English. It's frustrating me, bro.
Oh, basics. He doesn't know anything.
Wait. I'll tell you an example. I dance, you dance. But he dances.
Are they dancing?
Why?
How I know? Okay, leave it. What answer did you get?
I thought he's dancing better than me. So one dance is added. So I dance, he dances.
Oh bro, this is okay. I do remember something. They
Tell me,
asked
bro.
me a plural question. For man and pan. For man, absolutely I wrote as men. But the question when it comes to pan, my brain was braining a lot and I wrote pen, bro.
You brainless fellow. Do you know anything about past, present and future?
Bro, I'm an intelligent one. I know everything. My birth is a past. I'm living in the future.
What about the future, man?
I'm killing it, bro.
Hey, shut up, man. One day my teacher told that she was almost hit by a truck and asked me what tense. I eagerly answered, ma'am, it's extremely tense. But I got severe beating, bro. See my chubby cheeks.
Heavy damage, bro. Yesterday I wrote an exam. They asked me a question in past tense. The question is think. I thought and wrote the answer as thinked. But the answer was thought, bro.
Funny, bro. Then the active voice, passive voice, it's killing me, bro. One day my teacher told that this building is beautiful and asked me what voice. I said, sir, it's extremely horrible voice, sir. You have cold. But he made me to stand outside the class for 1 hour. Just for telling the truth, bro. Just for telling the truth.
Bro, you got punishment for telling the truth. But I got terrible silk, bro.
Silk?
Yeah.
For what?
For answering, bro.
Tell me, bro.
My teacher asked me, I'm waiting. What voice it is? I answered it as, it's Talabali voice.
Bro, come on. It's Tala voice, bro.
You stupid. It's neither Tala or Talabali. It's just an active voice.
Bro, we both are same blood, bro. We both got trained in English.
Bro, wait. I got passed by 21. You just failed with the 9. Don't speak at all.
Hey, you shut up and get out, man.
Bro, you go home and cried, bro.
That's cry, not cry, idiot.
Go. Oh, hi bro. Nice meeting you. Long time no see, huh?
So it's time.
No, bro. Wait. We have to make this meeting memorable. I'm having many jokes, bro.
Yes, bro. Tell me.
In 2015, how old are you, bro?
Same round only, bro.
Bro, I know a boy. He doesn't eat broiler chicken at all. He only eats country chicken. Do you know why?
Why?
You, bro. Because he's very patriotic. Dude, we all go for walking and jogging in the morning. But Prime Minister of Japan goes for walking in the evening. Why? Because he's a PM. Bro, a man entered a restaurant because he's hungry and ordered a food. When the food came, he didn't touch it at all because he started staring at it. Do you know why?
What?
Because it is a seafood. Seafood!
Oh my god, I'm missing the place.
Bro. Wait, bro. We can we can wash all kind of dresses very easily. But there is one dress which cannot be washed. Tell it.
What?
Undress. Now we are acting as police and thief.
Good morning, sir. Do you remember me?
Good morning. I have arrested you several times for robbery. Am I right?
Yes, sir. It's me.
Are you still robbing?
No, sir. I completely stopped it.
Oh, that's good, my boy. And what you do for your living?
I'm just taking online classes to how to steal and how to become a robber.
You stupid! Get lost! Come on, boys. Let's have a joke, which we commonly called as dirty joke. This is a book. This is my face. Facebook. This is my palm. That is a tree. Palm tree. This is blue. What is this? Bluetooth. This is heart. This is butt. Hot butt. This is a stick. I keep it on my lip. Lipstick. This is no. Ocean.